All right, so I'm going to do a quick video here on just a review of the Super Affiliate Academy and the Elite. So I'm going to share my screen here. So if we jump over to the Super Affiliate Academy, you'll notice this is the classroom. Here we have the community, which you all know about that. Look, we're already at 824 members. And I'm looking up because my computer here is a laptop. I'm at home this morning, but my screen is a 55-inch above it. So when I'm looking up, I'm actually looking at the big screen because I don't see the little one so good without my glasses on. Got to have reading glasses when you get old. Anyway, 824 members, 25 online right now. That's pretty close to a record. I think there's been over 30 online before from what I've seen. I want you to be sure that you know about the classroom. When you click on classroom here, you can see all these are courses. And I've pretty much gone through all of them so far and completed them. There's some really good information here. It's all free. And I've never been in a community where people care about you as much as James and Max do. So I wanted to touch on that. The next thing I want to touch on is the Elite. And if you'll notice, there's the community for the Elite. And not a whole lot of members yet, which is nice because on the Zoom meetings, there's plenty of room for James and Max to talk to everybody individually and help out with whatever projects are going on or whatever training is needed. If we jump into the classroom on that, you'll see all these courses here. And you'll notice I completed the first 6, haven't done the next 6. I did this one, haven't completed these 2. I completed these 2 and haven't completed this one. And I've just kind of been cherry picking the ones that I think would be interesting for me right now. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick rundown. There's some incredible information on these courses. There's some stuff. I've been in the online, for about 20 years, and most of the time everything's just rehashed information. And I have to say there's really some new stuff going on here and stuff that I'm already implementing in my businesses. I've been personally running businesses for over 40 years. My wife and I built up a company locally that did over 7 figures a year for about 10 or 12 years running. The business is still going, not as strong since COVID, but it's still, we're still doing a good multiple 6 figures a year. We've built up a real estate portfolio, and I'm about to launch a community here on the school that's all about cash flow and how to retire comfortably. So I just want to recommend everybody to get in the Elite if you're not yet. And I'm going to go ahead and offer my personal help with anybody who joins and lets Max and James know that I referred you. I'll offer my personal help. I can't do it for everybody. I'm probably looking at maybe 5 or 6 people right now that I could help. So you might want to take advantage of that while the getting's good. Also, the price of the Elite right now is, I believe, $79. I think tomorrow it's going to go to $97. So you can lock in a discount. Also, once you join the Elite, you can refer people and you can get a nice commission on referring people every month. The other thing you get is a bump in commission on all of Max and James's products. So I just wanted to shoot this quick video and encourage everyone to jump into this killer curriculum. And then you should, when you get in, watch the replay from last week on the Zoom meeting. I wasn't able to attend, but it was awesome. Everybody on there got personal attention, and I just haven't seen support like this anywhere. So I guess that's about it for me for now, and we will talk soon. I hope you guys are having a great week.